Hello, class 11th. This is the mesmerizing world of phylum Coelenterata, the beautiful metazoans or multicellular organism with tissue grade of organization. Well developed organs are absent. They are generally aquatic, mostly marine, except the few freshwater form like hydras. Individuals are radially or biradially symmetrical with a central gastrovascular cavity communicating to the exterior by the mouth, divided into subclasses. Acoelomate animals because do not have well defined body cavity or coelom, although they are having a specific type of cavity because the mouth and the anus, they are on the same place, that is called hypostome, and cavity is called coelenteron. Don't get mesmerized by these tentacles. They are having the sting cells which can paralyze the prey and help in capturing the food. This bubble sea anemone, you will see on the tentacles bubble-like structures called nematocysts, having very poisonous substance. They are not getting help by these in capturing the organism or the prey, but they are protecting certain other organisms also. They can be from microscopic to the centimeters long. Fishes like clownfishes sits under these tentacles for getting the protection from their predators. These jellyfishes and the hydra, if you'll see, are occurring in two different shapes. Those shapes are called medusa and polyp. The tube-like zooid is called polyp. The polyp reproduce asexually. It is sessile and attaches to a substrate at the arboreal end, and it has a cylindrical body called the column. Example of cnidarian polyp is hydra, while the other umbrella-like zooid is called medusa. Medusa is dioecious and free swimming. Its shape is like an inverted bowl. The tentacles hang from its margin. The mouth opening is centrally located at lower side. The medusa swims by medusae. Then in a polyp, it gives the medusa a jelly-like appearance. As you can see in case of hydra, only one gastrovascular cavity is present for the intake of the food, and the side linings of these hydra, they are having the cells which help in the process of digestion and absorption of the nutrients and the gases. This lining helps in maximum of the life processes of the hydra. There is no other cavity or opening is present except that of the mouth, through which the intake of the food takes place and the food is ejected out. So, to summarize, we can say that coelentrates are metazoans, multicellular animals with tissue grade of organization. They are diploblastic because only two layers are present. Aquatic, mostly marine, that is living in the sea water only, but few freshwater forms like hydras are also present. Radially symmetrical means that body can be divided into two equal halves from any radii with a central gastrovascular cavity